To install Ubuntu in Jetson, turn on the switch first, then connect USB cable to the laptop. Log in using your nvdia account. Then click on Not Now. It will take some time. Then click on Yes, Enable Change Collection and click on Go. And then this window will appear. Click on Target Hardware and select Jetson TX2, which is my Jetson. Tick on I accept and click Continue to proceed to step 3. When we click on continue, a window will appear and then type your password of the system. Then the process will take some time. Once it is completed, another window will appear. Click on refresh and then select Jetson TX2, which is my Jetson, and then click on manual setup. And then type username and password of your Jetson. We need to make this to recovery mode. Do the steps for that. Turn off it and then using this switch combination, switch it to recovery mode. Once it is in recovery mode, you can proceed. So it will be connecting now and then continuing the process. Wait for some time. Then if there is any internet issues, we can fix by tethering using USB tethering. Then click on finish and exit. So Ubuntu is installed in your Jetson. You can connect a monitor and then use your Jetson TX2. Thank you.